Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive into a common problem that many people face when working on their computers. The problem we're tackling today is the issue of not being able to access a certain feature or tool due to restricted permissions. This can be frustrating, especially when you really need to use that particular feature to complete a task. So, let's explore how we can solve this problem and get you back on track. The solution to this problem lies in granting yourself the necessary permissions to access the feature or tool you need. By changing the permission settings on your computer, you can give yourself the ability to use that specific function without any restrictions getting in your way. This solution may seem simple, but it can make a world of difference in your workflow and productivity. Now, you might be thinking, but how do I change the permissions settings on my computer? Well, the good news is that it's actually quite easy to do. You just need to navigate to the Settings or Control panel on your computer, locate the Permissions section, and adjust the settings to allow yourself full access. Once you've made the necessary changes, you should be able to use the feature or tool without any issues. See? Problem solved. In summary, dealing with restricted permissions on your computer can be a real pain. But with the simple solution of adjusting your permission settings, you can quickly regain access to the features you need. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy computing!